Dear Diary, today I cried in a supermarket. Yes, in the supermarket, somewhere between the apples and the bread. It sounds a little silly, I know, but sometimes the smallest things are the hardest ones. Let me tell you what happened. Welcome back. I am Stasy, and some time ago I moved to a new country alone. Tonight, just notice how I talk about food. The little words some and any. Subscribe and follow my new life, one page at a time. This morning my fridge was empty, so I went to the big supermarket near my home. Oh, dear diary, it was huge. So many people and so many long shelves. I had a small list with me, and I thought it would be easy. I need some milk, some bread, and some eggs, I said to myself. But it was not easy at all, because everything had different names and different boxes, and I couldn't find anything quickly. First, I went to look for milk, and there were almost 10 kinds of milk on the shelf. 10! I stood there for a long time, and I really didn't know which one to choose. So I tried to ask a worker for help. "Excuse me, do you have any fresh bread?" I asked. He pointed somewhere and answered very fast, and I didn't understand a single word. I tried again and asked, "Do you have any small eggs?" But he only shrugged and walked away. My basket was still almost empty, and my face was getting hot. At the checkout, my hands were shaking a little. The numbers came so fast, and I didn't understand the final price. I was nervous, so I dropped some coins on the floor, and people were waiting behind me in the line. I felt so small in that moment. And then one tear came down my face, and then another. But the cashier was an older woman, and she smiled at me very gently. "It's okay, honey," she said, slowly and kindly. "Take your time. There is no hurry." They were such simple words, but they warmed my heart in a way I really needed. I came home with my bags, and I slowly put away the milk, the bread, and the eggs. But then I sat down on the kitchen floor, and I cried again. I missed my home, and I missed the easy days when I understood everything around me. I missed a world where shopping was just shopping, and not a battle. I looked at an old photo of my family, and a hard thought came into my head. Maybe I should go home, I thought. Maybe all of this is just too difficult for me. Tonight I feel very tired, dear diary, and tomorrow I have a big decision to make. Thank you for reading page 6 with me. Today was hard, and if you ever feel this way in a new language, please know that I understand you. We are not alone, and we are learning together, one quiet day at a time. Good night, dear diary. Good night, my friend.